What is Sora 2? Sora 2 is OpenAI's latest flagship video and audio generation model. It is designed to create highly realistic videos with synchronized audio, realistic physics and improved controllability. Compared to earlier models, Sora 2 aims to reduce hallucinations, maintain scene continuity and over real-world dynamics like motion, collisions and object permanence. How it works and key improvements. Here are what about AI Open calls the major upgrades in Sora 2. Physics and realism. It handles complex motion interactions and avoids teleporting objects unrealistically. Audio and dialogue sync. It natively generates speech effects, ambient sounds, all tied to video output. Continuity and multi-shot consistency. Prompts spanning multiple scenes, maintaining consistency in characters, lighting and settings. Cameo likeness feature. You can insert your own appearance and voice with consent into scenes. Steerability and control. You can better guide how the scenes unfold. Style, framing, etc. To let people use Sora 2, OpenAI is launching a standalone iOS app called Sora with TikTok-style vertical video feed. All content in the app is AI generated. You can't upload existing video or images. For now, videos are currently limited to 10 seconds in the app. Access is invite only, initially in US and Canada. OpenAI also plans a Sora 2 Pro tier and integration into ChatGPT for advanced users. Use cases include content creation, rapid prototyping, storyboarding, and even personalized short films. Risk and ethics and safeguards. With the power comes with responsibility. OpenAI is adding guardrails from one day. Here are some key measures. Consent and control. You own your likeness. You can manage who can use it. Content moderation and filters. The system blocks violent, explicit, extreme or harmful content. Copyright and opt-out rules. Sora 2 reportedly allows copyrighted content unless rights holders opt out. Transparency and metadata. OpenAI says each generated video will include provenance, signals and watermark to identify AI origin. Still risk remains. Defects, misuse, misinformation and unauthorized use of likeness are serious concerns. Sora 2 marks a bold step towards AI-generated videos with sound and control built in, but its impact depends on how we use it. Sora 2 marks a bold step toward AI-generated video with sound and control built in, but its impact depends on how responsibly we use it. Which feature of Sora 2 excites you the most? Tell me in comments, and if you like this breakdown, hit like, subscribe and stay tuned for deep dive into the use of Sora 2.